Guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I am going to be washing my braids. If you're trying to find out how to do that, then you are watching the right video. My braids are 3 weeks old and I already have build-ups because I use edge control, I use gel like to style the front of my hair, and also I use other products to oil my scalp and also for my hair generally. So there's like product build up. When I'm not on braids, I wash my hair bi-weekly, but whenever I'm on braids I always do 3 weeks, so I'm 3 weeks due for a wash. So what I'm doing right now is to put my shampoo into a spray bottle and I also add water. Sometimes I use just water, like I put just water in the spray bottle, then I apply the shampoo directly on my scalp with my fingers, but I'm just really comfortable doing it this way, mixing the shampoo and the water together, just mixing it, and it's just very easy for me. Like I prefer this method to applying it with my fingers. And that way, I measure the amount of shampoo I want to use beforehand, so I don't use more than that or use less than the amount that I plan to use. Since I'm on short braids, I'm just going to wash everything. I'm not going to pack it up, so I'll just start applying the mixture of the shampoo and the water on my scalp. The focus is your scalp. Like I wash 3 times, so the first and the second time actually I focus more on my scalp, so make sure you apply it very well so it's going to be everywhere. Like make sure you cover all corners. Sectioning of the hair can help you apply it properly, but this hair is very tiny, and if I start sectioning it I will not leave here today, so I just spray it. The middle of my hair has a lot of build-up. I don't know how that happens, but I sweat on my hair anyway. So I think that's the reason why the middle of my hair always has more oil, more product build-up there. I used to think it's supposed to be at the front because I use a lot of edge control, gel and all of that. So we're in the second round now, washing for the second time. So this is how I maintain my braids. Anyway, if you are looking to maintain your protective hairstyles and you don't know how to maintain it for maximum growth and also to like protect your hair generally, I have a video on my channel where I share how you can maintain your protective hairstyles. You should check that out. If you find this video helpful, you should also check that out. That video will also be a video you will like. So this is the last and final round. Like I said, I wash my hair 3 times, even not just braids, like my normal hair. When I'm on my natural hair, it's not compulsory to wash it 3 times. I just wash 3 times because, like I said, I sweat on my head a lot. So that is the reason why whenever I'm washing, I always try to be thorough. But if you can wash, but I advise like minimum, you should be washing twice. Did you get me? I don't think you should wash your hair just once. My curls were feeling pretty. I was just feeling it. I just love the feel under the water. Giving it the final rinse. If there's any video you would like to suggest on this channel, please drop it in the comment section now. Hey guys, so my hair is basically still wet, but I just wrapped it like this because I wanted to dress up, and I also use a towel to dry it a bit, so it's just damp, not wet. Okay, so I'm going to be using my dryer. To dry my hair now. So just to protect my roots, I always like use scarf to like tie the bottom. So I'm going to start. Let me unwrap the hair now. So I'm going to start drying. So I'm going to take a scarf now to like tie the front to protect my roots from the heat. So when I tie my hair in a scarf and use the dryer, my hair still gets dried. So like my hair is not like so wet anymore because I told you guys I used to dry it. So it's just this that is really, really wet. So my hair is all dried. So the next thing I'm going to do is to oil my hair. So this is carrot oil and it's homemade. I make it myself. So that's what I'll be using to oil my hair. So guys, if you have like a bottle that has like what you can use in dropping the oil on your hair, you can use that. I've been trying to get that particular bottle for a while, but I've not seen. Whenever I go to the market, I don't see it. I do not know why. But that's maybe the best for you because it's going to help you section. It's going to help you put it very well. Like let it, because this oil now we're focusing on the scalp. It's for you to oil your scalp. So if you are using that, that will be best for you. This one I'm doing is very, very stressful, but it's what I have, so I have to use it. So guys, that is all. This is how I wash my braids. So if I'm on long braids, it's actually different. I don't wash like everything. So the reason why I just wash everything, like just put everything under the shower, is because my hair is short. Like this is a short braid. So when I'm doing a longer braid, I always just like tie the end. I tie the end with like rubber band or like anything you have that can just hold the hair. So I hold this, I tie it in like a loose bun, like really, really loose bun. So I'll be able to like wash the hair. So that's how I wash my braids if it's a long braid. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video was very helpful to you. If you're looking for tips on how to maintain your protective hairstyles, I have a video about that on my channel. I'm going to be linking it in the description, so do not forget to check that. And if this video was really helpful to you, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.